Imagine a future where humanity once again sets foot on the lunar surface, where our flag proudly waves in the airless expanse. This video will take you on an incredible journey, revealing how NASA is making its historic return to the moon and the profound impact it will have on all of us. You're about to uncover astonishing achievements happening right now, showcasing the latest technologies, groundbreaking missions, and ambitious plans that will revolutionize our understanding of space. Stay with us until the end to discover how these monumental steps toward the moon can transform not only the future of space exploration, but also our daily lives. This is more than just exploration. It's a giant leap into a new era for all humanity. NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration of the United States, has always been at the forefront of space exploration. The first major achievement was landing a human on the moon in 1969. That historic moment is forever etched in history as a symbol of human determination and the ability to overcome any obstacles. But why now, more than 50 years later, is NASA returning to the moon? The answer is simple: exploring the moon can open doors to even grander goals. The moon will not only be a testing ground, but also a springboard for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Artemis program is the key project that will return us to the moon. Named after the Greek goddess of the moon, it symbolizes new achievements and discoveries. The main goal of the program is to land the first woman and the next man on the lunar surface by 2025. But Artemis is not just a repeat of the Apollo missions. The program aims to create a sustainable human presence on the moon. This means that in the coming years, we will build a base that can support human life and work on the moon for the long term. The foundation of this mission will be the new Space Launch System (SLS) rocket. It is the most powerful rocket ever built, capable of launching huge cargoes and spacecraft into space. SLS will deliver crews and equipment to build the lunar base. Another important component will be the Orion spacecraft. It will serve as the home for astronauts on their way to and from the moon. Orion is equipped with the latest safety and comfort technologies to ensure maximum protection and convenience for the crew. But what exactly are we going to do on the moon? One of the main tasks will be the exploration of the moon's south pole. This location is unique because it likely contains large deposits of water ice. Water on the moon is not just a resource for drinking, but also a source of oxygen and hydrogen for rocket fuel. Imagine that we can extract water directly on the moon and use it to create fuel for flights to Mars. This will reduce the need to deliver huge supplies from Earth and make space missions much more efficient. But lunar exploration is not only about scientific and technological achievements. It also presents numerous economic opportunities. The moon is rich in rare resources, such as helium-3, which can become fuel for future fusion reactors. Additionally, there is the development of space tourism. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already working on creating spacecraft that can take tourists into orbit and even to the moon. Imagine that in a few decades, a trip to the moon will be available to everyone. But let's return to our missions. One of the important goals of Artemis will be testing new technologies for living and working in space. We will test life support systems, power plants, and other critical technologies that will help us in long-term missions to Mars and other planets. NASA also plans to conduct numerous scientific experiments on the lunar surface. These include studies of lunar geology, the effects of space radiation on the human body, and the testing of new materials and technologies. This data will be invaluable for future missions and will help us better understand how to adapt to life in space. An important part of the mission will be international cooperation. NASA actively involves other countries and space agencies in the project. Together we can achieve our goals faster and more efficiently and open new horizons in space. Special attention should be paid to the role of private companies in this process. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other companies make significant contributions to the development of space technologies. Their innovative solutions help NASA reduce mission costs and make space more accessible. For example, SpaceX is already testing its reusable Starship rocket, which will be able to deliver cargo and crews to the moon and Mars in the future. This revolutionary solution will significantly reduce the cost of space flights and make them more frequent. So, returning to the moon is not just a scientific exploration. It's a powerful boost for the development of new technologies, the economy, and international cooperation. It's a step toward a future where space will be accessible to everyone. But what does this mean for us, ordinary people living on Earth? First, space technologies find application in our everyday lives. For example, space research helps create more efficient solar panels, water purification systems, and much more. Second, space exploration inspires a new generation of scientists, engineers, and researchers. It motivates young people to study science and technology, strive for new discoveries and achievements. Third, it unites us as humanity. We see that despite all the differences, we can work together and achieve incredible goals. This strengthens our belief that we can overcome any obstacles and create a better future for everyone. But most importantly, it's hope that the future will be bright and amazing. NASA is returning to the moon not just for exploration. It's a symbol of our determination and aspiration to the stars. So, when you look at the moon at night, know that soon there will be human footprints again. We are returning to stay and open new horizons. Together we will make this world better and achieve incredible success. NASA is returning to the moon, and this is just the beginning. The return to the moon also symbolizes human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Every mission and every discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Consider the technological marvels that have come from space exploration, everything from advancements in telecommunications, medical imaging technologies, to improvements in our everyday gadgets. All these are fruits of the ingenuity driven by space exploration. Imagine future classrooms where children, inspired by the achievements of the Artemis program, dream of becoming astronauts, scientists, and engineers. These dreams are the seeds of future innovations that will propel us even further into the cosmos. Another fascinating aspect of the Artemis program is the Gateway. This is a planned space station that will orbit the moon and serve as a staging point for missions to the lunar surface and beyond. The Gateway will be an international endeavor, involving contributions from NASA, ESA, JAXA, and other space agencies. The Gateway will facilitate long-term lunar exploration and research. It will enable more extensive missions to the moon, allowing astronauts to stay longer and conduct more detailed scientific investigations. The Gateway will also play a crucial role in preparing for missions to Mars. It will help us test the technologies and strategies needed for deep space exploration, such as life support systems, habitat modules, and propulsion systems. With the Gateway, we are building the infrastructure for a new era of space exploration. It will be a stepping stone for humanity's journey to Mars and beyond, paving the way for sustained human presence on other planets. The Artemis program also emphasizes the importance of sustainability. NASA aims to develop technologies and systems that can be used repeatedly, reducing waste and lowering the costs of space missions. This includes reusable rockets, spacecraft, and lunar habitats. By focusing on sustainability, NASA is setting the stage for a future where space exploration becomes a regular part of human activity. This vision extends beyond the moon and Mars, encompassing the entire solar system and even interstellar travel. International collaboration is a cornerstone of the Artemis program. NASA is working closely with international partners to ensure that the benefits of lunar exploration are shared globally. This collaborative approach strengthens our collective capabilities and fosters a spirit of unity and cooperation. The Artemis Accords, an international agreement for lunar exploration, underscores this commitment to cooperation. These accords outline principles for peaceful, transparent, and sustainable exploration of the moon and beyond. They ensure that space remains a domain for all humanity. The return to the moon is also a testament to the enduring human spirit. It reminds us of our boundless curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Every step we take on the moon is a step forward for all of humanity, bringing us closer to understanding the universe and our place in it. As we prepare to return to the moon, it's important to remember the legacy of the Apollo missions. These historic missions laid the foundation for everything we are achieving today. They demonstrated that with determination, creativity, and collaboration, we can achieve the impossible. The Artemis program builds on this legacy, taking lunar exploration to new heights. It represents the next giant leap for humanity, a leap that will carry us to the moon, Mars, and beyond. The achievements of the Artemis program will inspire future generations to reach for the stars and continue the journey of exploration. The return to the moon is not just about science and technology. It's also about the human experience. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve and inspiring people around the world to dream big and pursue their passions. As we embark on this journey, we must also consider the impact on our planet. Space exploration drives technological advancements that can help address global challenges such as climate change, resource management, and sustainable development. The technologies developed for space missions often have direct applications on Earth. For example, advancements in energy efficiency, water purification, and waste management can improve our lives and help create a more sustainable future. The return to the moon also has the potential to boost the global economy. The space industry is growing rapidly, creating new jobs and opportunities for innovation. By investing in space exploration, we are investing in our future and driving economic growth. As we look to the future, we must also reflect on the profound philosophical and existential questions that space exploration raises. What does it mean to be human in the context of the universe? How do we balance our quest for knowledge with our responsibility to protect our planet and each other? These questions remind us of the importance of ethical considerations in space exploration. As we reach for the stars, we must ensure that our actions are guided by principles of sustainability, cooperation, and respect for all forms of life. The return to the moon is a powerful reminder of what we can achieve when we work together toward a common goal. It shows us that the possibilities are limitless when we combine our creativity, determination, and collective effort. As we stand on the brink of this new era of space exploration, let us embrace the spirit of discovery and adventure. Let us look to the moon and beyond with wonder and curiosity, knowing that we are capable of achieving great things. The return to the moon is just the beginning. It's the first step on a journey that will take us to new frontiers and unlock the mysteries of the universe. Together, we will explore, discover, and create a future that is bright and full of possibilities. So, when you gaze at the moon tonight, remember that soon there will be human footprints again. We are returning to stay and to open new horizons. The moon is our stepping stone to the stars, and the journey is just beginning. Together, we will make this world better and achieve incredible success. NASA is returning to the moon, and this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new videos. Write in the comments what inspires you most about space exploration. If we get 5,000 likes, I'll release a new video about why the universe is expanding. Stay with us, there's a lot more interesting and exciting content ahead. See you soon and remember, space awaits us.